Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I saw one of these funny, it's not little, it's kind of big for a Pattypan squash. But I saw it at the health food store. They had a bundle of mixed squashes, so I thought I would grab it. And I found a recipe for stuffing them. This is stuffed with some breadcrumbs. I used some of the Violife Colby Jack cheese, onions, sausage, salt and pepper, and the original recipe called for bacon, but I didn't feel like getting my bacon thawed out, and it called for Parmesan, but I used Colby Jack. So basically you cook the squash in water for about 10 minutes till it's tender so that you can hollow out the center. You save the bits that you hollow out of the squash and you chop them and you add them to the pan along with the onions and the sausage and the cheese and the breadcrumbs. And you season it all with salt and pepper and you cook it up. And then you stuff it into the squash and you bake the squash. I baked this at 350 for about 15 minutes. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, it's tender enough. I don't need a knife. I've already tasted the stuffing mixture and it's very tasty. I had some bits that stuck to the bottom of the pan and got crusty, and they were a nice treat. Okay, let me get a little more. Form a nice crust on the top. Okay, that's a big mouthful and it's probably still hot. It just came out of the oven a few minutes ago. The squash is just right. Not too crunchy and not too mushy. And the flavor has seeped out of the stuffing and gotten into the squash. It's really good. So I will have a recipe. Sorry. Gotta have another bite of this stuffing. It's so good. I will have the recipe on my blog, linked in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Uploads: Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Community posts: Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional kitty videos on Saturday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting. Oops, sorry. I've got another recipe in the oven coming out after this. Where was I? Let's see. Thank you. Oh yeah, the thank yous. Thank you for all that good stuff. Thanks for visiting my community tab. And I will see you later, guys.